Here's a quick guide on how to make my chicken casserole that I did not steal from my mom and make better. A pound of pasta, rotini recommended. Al dente. 2 or 3 chicken breasts diced and cooked on the stove. Fuck. Get your big mixing bowl. Wherever you keep it, that's where everything's going. Cooked pasta in a bowl. Cooked chicken in the bowl. Now we move the bowl to another counter where there's more space to work with, and I'm watching Oblivion featuring Tom Cruise. 3 cans of Campbell's cream of chicken in the bowl.
Hey. Oh.
1 can of evaporated milk. Yeah, pretend that was a little more cinematic. 2 bags of Oscar Mayer bacon bits. 2 cups of shredded sharp extra cheddar. Cheese. Anyway. Now mix it all together with a spoon. A little bit of milk to give it a little bit more substance. I'm not measuring it, so good luck. Don't forget to lube up your casserole dish first. Pour your casserole mix into the casserole dish. Top with cheese. Sprinkle on some of that special secret cheese. Stop looking at me. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Fuck you, Justin. Stop laughing. Now, take some nacho cheese flavored Doritos and put them in a bag. And crush them. Oh yeah, look at that bubbling. Alright, now we take this fucker out of here. And we top it with our Doritos. You know how I said my casserole's better than my mom's? It's because hers doesn't do this.